welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Maleeka J. Harris, your Georgia and Texas new construction realtor, and I am touring this beautiful new construction home here in Decatur, Georgia. Let's get into why this home stands out. Now for this stunning property, I'll be calling out design details, finishes, and what actually matters when walking a home and what sets it apart. It's truly about how the space lives and whether this home would make sense for you. And if it does, reach out to me directly via the link in my bio. Now let's get into it. We're here at 2986 San Jose Drive in Decatur, Georgia, and this home is just minutes away from East Lake Golf Club, and it sits on 0.24 acres with no HOA, guys, which is a huge big deal, especially for new builds. And right away, you can see this home was designed with today's modern lifestyle in mind. Now, guys, doesn't it just take your breath away? Soon as you walk in, you are welcomed by this 2-story foyer. Nothing feels tight or boxed in here, and with the staging, it's simply giving Miami. And it sets the tone for the rest of the home. And here in your dining area, I'm simply panning over so you can see how much natural light is just flowing into this home. And immediately off your dining room is a dedicated wine display. It's not temperature controlled, but it adds an elevated touch to the space without taking up extra square footage. In this kitchen, we'll get into that. Let's check out the garage space. Now this is a 2-car tandem garage with EV chargers already in place, so you're not having to retrofit anything, which is a major convenience for you electric vehicle owners. Now let's talk about this kitchen because it's definitely a moment, and you haven't seen an oversized quartz waterfall edge kitchen oven like this. This is a kitchen for someone who actually cooks and entertains, not just for show. And I'm going to walk back through this so we can get into those details. Now take a look at this beautiful color on this island, and plus there are built-in charging stations. Now here is where you'll notice the detail of that subtle strip lighting, your microwave, your custom cabinetry, and under cabinet lighting. Plus, let's get into that $4,000 stainless steel Cosmo double oven with a 6-burner gas range and griddle. And now we'll flow into your pantry. Now moving into your main living space, this is a true open concept layout. You've got hardwood floors throughout, designer lighting, and a 2-way recessed lighting that gives a warm, elevated feel, especially in the evenings. And the living room also features one of the home's 4 electric fireplaces. Now we're getting into that indoor-outdoor flow, which is one of my favorite features in this home, which would be your bifold doors. And once out back, you've got your patio with electric fireplace number 2, perfect for entertaining or just relaxing. Swing back through the living room so you can see this from a different angle because the width of this space really stands out. And this highlights how well the room flows and how much flexibility you have with furniture placement. I also want you to take attention to the built-ins and the custom wall and ceiling details. That level of craftsmanship carries throughout the home. This would be your main level half bathroom. we continue, take a second look at that beautiful 2-story foyer, noticing the detail of the glass view railings at the upper level. Now here is your first secondary bedroom here on the main level with its own private bathroom and closet. Now, as we head upstairs, I'm going to give you guys the full panoramic view of this upper level. Now on this second level, here is an open sitting area which keeps the space feeling open while still giving you separation. And look how it flows seamlessly into the space here that could be used for a lounge, media area, or home office. And the sliding door here connects you to the shared deck space. It's private, spacious, and very intentional in its design, featuring your third electric fireplace. Now, outside of your primary suite and those secondary bedrooms, you also have upstairs your laundry space. Now, welcome to secondary bedroom number 2, which is generously sized and connected to secondary bedroom number 3 by a Jack and Jill bathroom. Both indoor natural lighting and have a nice closet space, and with their shared bathroom, finishes are consistent throughout, which keeps everything feeling intentional and cohesive. Now let's get into your oversized primary suite, and trust me when I say it's 100% its own retreat. You have your own seating area with that 4th electric fireplace and the details of your custom accent wall, more recessed lighting, tray ceiling, and a farmhouse sliding door that leads to a separate his or hers closet and access to a private terrace with Bluetooth capability surround sound. Now this spa-like bathroom speaks for itself. You've got double vanities with sconce lighting, backlit mirrors, floor-to-ceiling tile, an expanded double shower, soaking tub, and a separate water closet. Everything here feels modern, clean, and well thought out. Now, as I walk through your primary suite, there is one last built-in feature that I want to point out. And now we're headed right out to that private outdoor space that I showed you earlier. Alright guys, now let's talk numbers. With this level of detail, we are coming in at $950,000, and this one also includes a home warranty for that added peace of mind with new construction. If you want a private tour, mortgage details, or to compare this home to other new construction options around Atlanta, let's have the conversation. I can be reached via the email or direct phone number below. I'll make sure you're fully informed before you make your next move.